your service has 3 pods behind it. Every few minutes, one of them just stops getting traffic for about 10 seconds, then it's back. kubectl says all 3 are running the whole time, no restarts, no crashes. What's going on? Here's the setup. There's a readiness probe checking a health endpoint every 5 seconds, and it only takes one failure to trip it. So, why does that pod go quiet for a few seconds at a time? Is it a rolling update draining it randomly? Is kubeproxy just skipping it on purpose? Is it getting killed for using too much memory, faster than you can see? Or is something else pulling it out of rotation without touching the pod at all? The answer is, its readiness probe briefly fails, and Kubernetes temporarily pulls it out of the service's endpoints. The pod itself never stops running. Here's why. Kubernetes runs 2 separate checks per container, and they do completely different things. A failing liveness probe restarts the container. A failing readiness probe doesn't touch the container at all, it only controls whether that pod's IP is on the service's list of usable endpoints. Because this probe fails after just one slow response, a single sluggish tick from a downstream dependency is enough to flip the container to not ready. The moment that happens, it's removed from the service's endpoints almost instantly, and traffic stops going there. Nothing crashes. The restart count stays at 0, and the status stays running the whole time. Only the ready column blips, which is easy to miss if you're only watching the status. Once the next check passes, it's added back, and traffic resumes. That's the gone for 10 seconds, then back pattern. The fix isn't to remove the probe, it's to stop one slow tick from counting as a failure. Require 3 consecutive failures instead of 1, spread over about 15 seconds, and give the check a little more time to answer before it's considered failed. Now a brief, one-off slowdown gets absorbed instead of yanking a perfectly healthy pod out of traffic.